Scrunchies are a cute, versatile hair accessory that are fun to wear and gift. If you want to learn how to make 5 different kinds of scrunchie, then this is the class for you. In this Scrunchie Sewing Masterclass, I cover fabric selection, essential sewing tools, how to read a sewing pattern, and even teach you how to make your own jumbo scrunchie sewing pattern. Hi, my name is Julicia James. I'm a designer based in the United States. I teach beginner sewing at Made Institute, a fashion design school based in Philadelphia. I'm also a writer, an artist, and owner of the business Julicia Rose. You can visit my website at juliciarose.com. After taking this class, you will learn how to sew the classic everyday scrunchie. But that's not all. I'll also show you how to customize the scrunchie in 2 different ways. First, by making a perky bow, and then by making a thick, glamorous bow like the one you see in my hair right now. This class has bonus lessons, including sessions where I teach you how to make a jumbo scrunchie and how to make a confetti scrunchie. We will sew with both stretchy fabrics and non-stretchy fabrics. You will need access to a sewing machine for this class. Follow me here on Skillshare so you get updated when I post new classes. You can also follow me on Instagram at Julicia Rose, where you can see my latest projects and follow my life as a designer, writer, and artist. So, let's get started with sewing up these scrunchies. I'll see you in the class.